In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF documents using All Document Hub. And if it is the first time you hear about it, you can easily go ahead and get All Document Hub in your Play Store. It contains a ton of different features that allows you to merge files, not only PDF, but all different kind of files. And so once you download it, you open it and you'll have it on your phone, right? So to merge documents, you can just simply go ahead and go to the Tools section and you can click and merge. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just find two documents that I would just like to merge. I don't necessarily need them, but you will get a general idea how it actually works. So I'm going to just, for example, I'm going to use these two boarding passes here. So I'm going to tap on these two and just click on next. And now you can see that it basically allowed me to add even more, but then it's going to give me the option to merge as well. So I can click on merge. I can give it a name. So I'm going to just leave it as is with the name that it has and just clicking OK. And as you can see, it's quickly merging the documents. Now here you can see the documents that they actually merge, right? So that's pretty easy. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.